Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. So today we're gonna talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Let's have a look. Samsung took a disappointing shortcut with its new Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S10e. The development may prove to be a deal breaker for some. So it's a good news that the Galaxy Note 10 has suddenly taken shape. Following a series of design leaks about Samsung's upcoming Note phone, Arena has added meat to their bonds to give us the first look at this hotly anticipated device. The highlights include the Galaxy Note 10 widely expected adoption of the Galaxy S10 Plus dual punch-hole display and a quad rear camera, 12 megapixel primary lens, 12 megapixel telephoto lens and 16 megapixel ultra-wide angles and top 3D depth camera and ultrasonic in-display fingerprint readers as well as an almost bezel-free design. Currently codenamed DaVinci, Samausng has already confirmed Note 10 will get a quad lens camera, though it might not be exact same models as seen in the Galaxy S10 5G. We bet it will get the second selfie camera at the front too, with S10 Plus now specified at 10 megapixel and 8 megapixel duo. There is also the faster Exynos 9820 Snapdragon 855 processor, potentially with 5G support and up to 1 TB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. It will also run the same enhanced software setup with the new and simplified One UI interface applied over Android 9 Pie. The S-series design has seen some interesting updates with the more screens straight than ever thanks to similar bezels, a taller 19.9 aspect ratio and larger Infinity O panels that use dynamic in AMOLED tech. With the Galaxy S10 Plus now up to 6.4 inch, we can see Note 10 moving up the mirror. The 5G version is at 6.7 inch. Also new, a Galaxy S10 is an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Traditionally a larger screens version of the Galaxy S series with a higher capacity battery, S Pen stylus and various improvements to the likes of the camera. A new Galaxy Note rarely fails to impress. Early rumors for the Note 10 points to a larger 6.66 inch AMOLED display, and we expect with even similar bezel as for the truly edge-to-edge experience with an 8% grid surface area. One of the more out there rumors for the Note 10 is that Samsung will ditch the new Infinity O panels and move the selfie cameras to the S Pen stylus. We are not convinced, but there is a patent that backs up the theory. Samsung typically unveils its new Note series flagship in August, a few weeks ahead of IFA. I expect a familiar pattern in 2019 with the Note 10 launching in early August. Current pricing for the Galaxy Note 9 starts at £849, though the phone launched at £899. We have not heard any rumors to suggest pricing will charge for 2019. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. So hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and peace out. Take care. Bye bye.